Okay, so I want to try a banana smoothie, but before we get right into it, let me talk about this product that I got. This fruit juicer. Is it fruit juicer or fruit maker? Fruit blender, something like that. So I've had it sitting in my cupboard for about 5 months, and I just thought to bring it up. Before, when I do juice, if you check my previous video, the one I did fruit juice, five fruit juice, six fruit juice, sorry, where I did six fruit juices, you will see that I used the pepper blender. So this time around, I unboxed this to use it for the fruit blender or juicer maker. However, so I want to use it for the banana smoothie. So this is I'm sure you've seen something like this before. I'll put the link where I got it, the vendor where I got it from. So if you want to blend any juices at all, you can just make use of it. So I'm trying to read, because I'm saying it for the first time, so I'm trying to read everything on it so that I'm not mixing or missing anything. Yeah, so yeah, can you see it has a sieve in case you want to do, fruit juicer is different from fruit smoothie. So for fruit juicer, like the one that is liquid, you can use the sieve to sieve it, but for the smoothie you don't need to sieve anything. You take the puree like that. So I'm trying to read the flyer to get the full gist of the whole thing. Even after reading the flyer, guys, do you know that this thing, I was supposed to charge before I actually put in my fruits and then blend with it, but local woman like me, I used it. I put the fruits, and I was waiting for the thing to roll. I put it on and I was waiting for it to roll, sorry. And I was like, this thing is not working, I tried everything, like I was just doing everything until some of the puree, like some of the, sorry, mixture have not blended at that time. So until some of them just got away, like they just pour on the floor and made a mess, because I was trying to unhook the lower part. I was trying to unhook it. So you have to charge it for like 3 hours before you actually get to use it. When you charge, it's going to bring a green light, because after I charged it, then I start using it. So that's the gist, guys. So for this banana smoothie, yeah, the first thing I'm putting is the banana itself. So I'm cutting into tiny pieces. I should even have make it smaller than this, but I didn't have a problem with this size. But I just felt, the blade, you need to cut the fruit into pieces that will accommodate the blade very, very well. So I used about 3 bananas. Is it 3 or 4? I used about 3. I think 3. I used about 3 bananas for the smoothie. So I just cut into tiny pieces. This is the third one, I think. So yeah, just cut into smaller pieces. Yeah. So, and if you are using a fruit, maybe you want to blend a fruit that has nut, like date that has no nut inside, like a seed. So you have to remove the seed. You understand? So that it doesn't affect the blender. So after putting my banana, what I'm going to put next is cocoa powder. Yeah, should be cocoa powder, but I use coffee as a substitute, because I was in the house and I could not go to get cocoa powder. So I just make use of my coffee. It's still going to taste the same anyway. Yeah, so you just need the taste to be in it. Yeah, so just a little bit so that your smoothie doesn't go bitter also. So then the next is the cinnamon powder. No measurement, guys. I'm not I'm not your professional. I'm not your professional, smoothie maker or anything. This is homemade. Don't forget, guys. So yeah, I'm just putting it, the way I seem fit, what I think is best for the smoothie. And so for the yogurt, the recipe says Greek yogurt, but right now I'm using sweetened yogurt. So maybe it's just what I want, Yeah, but again, that was what was available for me because I was in the house and I just want to make the smoothie as soon as possible. So yeah, everything, those are the just, is that four? Yeah, just four ingredients that you need to make banana smoothie. So what are you waiting for? Banana, cocoa powder, cinnamon powder, and then Greek yogurt. Yeah, so I'm just going to cover it all up now. Yeah, so I'm having a little bit of issue with the cover, but I'm not supposed to put the sieve because it's a smoothie and not a juice. Yeah, so I'm not supposed to put the sieve, but either ways it still goes. So I think I'm going to insert the plug right now. Yeah, I'm mixing it together so that everything just forms together. Yeah. So that everything forms together. Yes, so I'm showing you the power button. That is the power button, and I'm going to, yeah, that is the charger. Any charger, actually a home charger can actually go with it, but in the package there is a shortcut charger that comes with it. So I'm plugging it right now. Can you see, guys? The reason it gave me red light there is because it is not charged. So it is after it's charged that it brought this light. So I remove it from charging, and then you're going to press the power button twice, and then it will start mixing. You can see it, guys, it's blending. And the manual, it says it can go for 90 seconds. So after 90 seconds it's going to stop, and you're going to press again to continue blending. So yeah, I have my banana smoothie. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? How thick it is? Like, can you see how thick it is? Can you actually see it? Yeah. Oh, it's so thick, like, yeah. So you don't need to put too much. I think I put a little bit of water when I was blending, but you don't need to put too much water, just your yogurt, it's fine. And this is what I have. Seriously, guys, it was so nice. So I finished making the banana smoothie at night because I had to charge for 3 hours. So the next, I put it in the refrigerator just to cool for a little bit. Then the next morning before going to work, I feasted on my banana smoothie as my breakfast go to. So you can use banana smoothie as late night snack, like late night drink, or you can use it as your startup in the morning, especially if you have to get to work early, or you have to work out early in the morning. Just take banana smoothie and then you are good to go. I love it so much, guys. You can see I was not even drinking it. I was using a spoon, like it was that thick. I was using a spoon to take it, and the experience was so nice. On this banana smoothie, I think you can put some nuts like strawberries, like raspberry, like strawberry. Yeah, you can put them on it and eat with it, guys. This is evident that the banana smoothie is so good. Like, I had to show you this part. Like, I didn't even want to hide anything. I don't want to hide. I'm tired of hiding. I want to just show you how slick this thing is. Like, I licked the cup. Yes, I licked the cup. And even the bottle I used to refrigerate, I had to put water, shake it, and then drink it. You should definitely try this.